Hey, it's Mark from Modern Tool, and today I'm going to tell you about the trip I just got back from. I was in Taiwan, and many of you probably know, but some of you may not. Large number of our products, which are our modern brand products, are manufactured in Taiwan, and they're manufactured for us to our specifications, and then we ship them to Canada and distribute them to you once or twice a year, sometimes three times. I or someone else from our company will go to Taiwan to meet with the owners of the factories that are producing these machines for us. It's everything from our bandsaws to our drill presses, our extremely popular LA series lathes, CNC machines that we sell you. All of these come from Taiwan. They're extremely high quality machines, Japanese precision, Japanese quality. Most of the components in our machines are either from Europe or Japan. The machines castings are made in Taiwan and then they're assembled in Taiwan. So I visit the factories and meet with the production people there, and we talk about quality control issues, we talk about what our customers are happy about, and if you tell us that you've found a problem with one of the machines we've sold you, we address that with the factory, and in the future those things are resolved. And so it's very productive for us to visit with the factory owners and bring your concerns and needs to them, and at the same time we're also talking about new products for your new needs, and that could be anything from 3D printing to laser etching, laser parts marking, parts and accessories and consumables. And we're always looking for new products to offer you to fill those niches where there may be a need and we don't necessarily already have it. So we're always looking for something new to offer you. So thanks. Have a great day. It was good talking to you. Bye.